Hey guys, welcome to my self-care routine video. It's the afternoon and I'm making myself some tea. Lately, I've been really into these tea lattes with Earl Grey tea, half and half, and 0-calorie sweetener. I use monk fruit generally. I haven't been actively trying to give up coffee, but it just kind of happened. This is the drink that I've been having every morning in the past couple months instead of coffee, and I'm really loving it. After that, I decided to read a book for a little bit. I used to really love reading, but kind of fell off the wagon in the past few years, so I'm trying to go back to it and schedule some time every day for reading, like 30 minutes or an hour. Next up, I am journaling. I found about this anxiety journal from my friend Katrina. I'll link her channel and Instagram down below, as well as the journal itself. I got it from Amazon. But it's like a great place to brain dump and just write down all of your anxious thoughts. It really helps you start seeing things in a different light, and it helps you actually focus on the things that you can control, not the things that make you anxious and are usually out of your control. So I don't journal every day, but whenever I feel overwhelmed or have too much going on in my head, it's just a great way to put things into perspective and really shift the focus a little bit. After that, I decided to do a quick at-home workout from Fitness Blender, which is one of my favorite fitness channels because they have so many free and really good workouts. And here I'm doing a cardio kickboxing workout. I was feeling actually really sweaty after my workout, so I had to hop in the shower. Taking a warm shower always relaxes me and makes me feel really good, and especially after a workout, it's just a logical next step. And then after that, it's time to have my dinner. I'm having this really yummy salad mix from Trader Joe's, which has the veggies, nuts, some dried fruit, which I'm actually not using because I'm trying to do low carb again, and a really tasty dressing. And to that, I'm adding some leftover cooked salmon that I had, and that's my super easy and healthy dinner. I definitely see having tasty and healthy food as an important part of my self-care routine, and especially when it's easy and effortless to prepare because I don't have to deal with a ton of things to clean up with, which is my least favorite part of cooking my meals. After dinner, for dessert, I decided to make hot cocoa for me and my husband. I have such a big sweet tooth and I always have to have something sweet after my meals. But as I already mentioned, I'm trying to eat low carb right now, so I googled this keto hot cocoa recipe and it was super easy and delicious. I'll link it down below in case you guys want to make it too. But you basically need unsweetened cocoa powder and some keto-friendly sweetener. I'm using monk fruit, which is always my go-to because it tastes so good. And then I just added some whipped cream on top. And that's pretty much it. Another one of my favorite ways to relax is spending time with my pets, playing with them, or just interacting with them. That's really therapeutic to me, and I always love to be around them because they're just so funny and cute. These are my two cats. Kami is the white cat that you saw before, and then this is my new kitty. Her name is Coco. Here I was giving them some treats because they are obsessed with treats. Coco likes to hide a lot under the couch, and sometimes even if you call her name, she wouldn't go out, but as soon as she hears the bag of treats crinkling, she's right here. And it won't be a self-care day if I don't take some time to do all of my skincare steps. First, I'm removing my makeup, and I just started using the makeup eraser, and I actually really like it. It's like some kind of dark magic, but it really does work. And then I'm doing a face mask, and I'm using this clay mask that I got in my latest FabFitFun box. It's supposed to cleanse your pores, cleanse your skin, that type of stuff. And I'll rinse it off after 10 minutes. Then I will do the rest of my mini skincare routine. I start with this Blend by The Ordinary amino acids and B5 vitamin, which is for hydration and skin elasticity. I'm actually really getting into The Ordinary lately because their products work so well and they're super affordable. Then I go with my holy grail, the Green Apple Brightening Emulsion by Juice Beauty. And then to finish everything off, Night Cream by Andalou Naturals, which I've been using for the last year and I really love it. And then I will be watching a Christmas movie in bed. I chose the Nutcracker movie that came out last year because I still haven't seen it, and it's actually on Netflix, which is pretty awesome. And that's pretty much what I did on this self-care day. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye guys!